Hello students, let's do algebra exercise 14D found on page number 158. So now we are doing division. Divide 3a by a. So that means 3a divided by a. Now we can write 3a as 3 into a, and here in the denominator also we have a. Now we can cancel. We can cancel this a and this a. So what do we have left? We have only 3. So what is our answer when you divide 3a by 3? Your final answer is simply 3 here for this question. Let's go on to question 2. So divide 15x by 3x. So 15x means 15 into x, and down in the denominator we have 3 into x. So let's cancel whatever we can in the numerator and denominator. I can cancel the x. Now 3 and 15 also I can cancel by a common factor 3. So divide 3 by 3, 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. So here what do I get? I get 5 by 1, which is equal to 5. So my final answer is 5. Question 3. Divide 16m by 4. So 16m will divide it by 4. So m, when I put it here, 16m by 4 is 16 into m divided by 4. So now let's cancel what we can. I can cancel 4 and 16. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. So what is left there? I get 4 by 1m, which is equal to 4m. So final answer here is 4m. Question 4. 20x square by 5x. So let's write that down. 20x square divided by 5x. This is equal to 20 into x square means x into x. And 5x is 5 into x. So let me cancel what I can here. I can cancel this x and this x. I can cancel 5 and 20 both by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 fours are 20. Now I get 4 by 1. So my final answer here, now don't forget to add the x. This x is still left. So 4x by 1. And my final answer will be 4x. Now I can do the same question using the exponent law. So let me work out that also for you. So 20x square by 5x. So this is 20 into, now the exponent law, according to this, when it is division, we can subtract the powers. I can subtract the powers. So when I write x here, I can say 2 minus, I have 1x down, isn't it? So 2 minus 1. So the x alone, I can say 2 minus 1. So in my denominator, I have only 5 left. So now I can cancel 5 and 20. 5 ones are 5. 5 fours are 20. And here, what will I get? I will get 4 by 1. Now x to the power of 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, x to the power of 1, which is 4 by 1x. So my final answer is 4x. So both ways I get the answer as 4x. The second method that I have used here is the exponent method. Let's go on to the next one. Here we have 30 p to the power of 2 by 10 p to the power of 2 again. Question 5, 30p square by 10p square. So let's do that. 30p square divided by 10p square. So let's use the exponent law here. So this will be 30 into, now if I take p, now here I have p to the power of 2 and below also I have p to the power of 2. And using the exponent law, we subtract the powers. So 2 minus 2, this becomes 2 minus 2. That means in the denominator, I have only the number 10 because p to the power of 2, I've already taken it up. So now I have 30 into p to the power of 2 minus 2 is p to the power of 0. And down I have 10. Let me cancel 10 and 30. 10 threes are 30. 10 ones are 10. 10 threes are 30. So here I will have 3 into p to the power of 0, or anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 3 into 1 by 1 is 3 ones are 3, 3 by 1, and my final answer here is 3. Question 6. 14a cubed b cubed. Okay, let's write that. 14a to the power of 3 and b to the power of 3 divided by 2a square. Okay, so that is 14 into a to the power of 3. Now let's take this a also. This is a to the power of 2. So using exponent law, it becomes minus 2. Then into b to the power of 3. So in the denominator, since we've already removed a square, I have only the number 2. Now let's cancel what we can. So 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So what do I have here? 7 into a to the power of 3 minus 2 is 1 into b to the power of 3, and in my denominator I have only 1. So it becomes 7ab cubed by 1, and the final answer is 7ab to the power of 3. So this is my final answer. Question 7. 18pqr square, 18pqr raised to the power of 2 divided by 3pq. So this will be 18 into p into q into r to the power of 2 divided by 3 into p into q. So let's see what we can cancel. I can cancel 3 and 18. So 3 6s are 18, and using the exponent law, this will be 6 into p to the power of 1. Then I have this p here raised to the power of 1. So it is 1 minus 1 into q. This is 1. So that is, I'll put 1 here. And this is q raised to the power of 1. So on top I write 1 minus 1 into r raised to the power of 2. So this is 6 into p to the power of 0 into q to the power of 0 into r square. So this is 6 into 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Into 1 into r square. So 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, so 6r square. So this is my final answer, 6r square. Question 8. 100 divided by 50b, which is 100 by 50 into b. So what can I cancel? Let me cancel the zeros. Now I have 5 and 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So what do I have here? I have 2 by 1b. 2 by 1b, which I can write as simply 2 by b. So this is my final answer. Question 2, simplify. So here let's write it down. 2x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 2. So this is 2 into x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 2. So when we use the exponent law, it becomes 2 into x to the power of 5 minus this 2, minus 2. So what do we get? 2 into x to the power of 5 minus 2 is 3. Finally, 2x to the power of 3. So this is my answer. Question 2. 6a to the power of 8. 6a to the power of 8 by 3a to the power of 3. So this will be 6 into a to the power of 8 by 3 into a to the power of 3. So first let's cancel the numbers. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay, so now let's continue. So now in the numerator we have 2 into a to the power of 8. Using the exponent law, we're going to move this up. So it becomes minus 3. 8 minus 3. And in the denominator we have only 1. We've removed that a. So now what do we have? 2 into a to the power of 8 minus 3 is 5 by 1, which is 2a to the power of 5. So this is the final answer, 2a to the power of 5. Next question, 20xy divided by minus 5xy. So let's write that down, 20xy divided by minus 5xy. Let's be careful with the signs now. So 20 into x into y divided by minus 5 into x into y. So again we're going to cancel and then use the exponent law also. So first let me give this a sign. I can cancel this. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So here I have 4 plus 4 in the numerator and x to the power of 1. This is 1 and this is 1. Y also I have 1. Using the exponent law, it's 1 and then this x minus 1 into y. I'll take this 1 minus this 1. Okay, and in the denominator, I have minus 1 only left. Everything else has been removed. So, plus 4 into x to the power of 1 minus 1 is 0 into y to the power of 1 minus 1 is 0 and in the remainder I have minus in the denominator minus 1. Now it is plus 4 into 1 by minus 1 which is plus 4 because 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 by minus 1. So my final answer here, 4 by 1 will be 1, isn't it? So 4 by minus 1 will be minus 4. So the final answer is minus 4. Question 4. So here we have minus 24 a square b square c square divided by 6ab. So that is going to be minus 24 into a to the power of 2 into b to the power of 2 into c to the power of 2 divided by 6 into a into b. So when a and b are by themselves, it's understood it is to the power of 1, raised to the power of 1. We're going to use the exponent law. So first let's cancel the numbers. So 6 fours are 24. 6 ones are 6. So in the numerator we have minus 4 into a to the power of 2 minus this 1. Okay, this one. So minus 1 into b to the power of 2 minus, again we take this one minus 1 into c to the power of 2. So in the denominator we just have 1. Everything else has been removed. So here what do we have? Minus 4 into a to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1. B to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1 and c square by 1. So what do we have? Minus 4a b c by 1. Final answer is minus 4a b c. So this is our final answer. We have c square here, so let's not forget to add that. So final answer is minus 4ab c square. There is no change in c. So question 5. Minus 5x square y divided by xy square. So this is equal to minus 5 into x square into y divided by x into y square. So let's continue to use the exponent law. So minus 5 into x to the power of 2 minus, this is 1, so minus 1 into y to the power of, this is 1. So 1 minus 2. We take 2 from here. 1 minus 2. So here we have minus 5 into x to the power of 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 into the power of y 1 minus 2. Now this is different from 2 minus 1. So 1 minus 2, put a plus sign. Now follow the rules. Signs are different. So put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. So here it becomes y to the power of minus 1. Now, when it is minus 1, how do we write? Okay, I'll show you that. So, this is minus 5x to the power of 1 is x. Now, y to the power of minus 1. Whenever you have minus 1, it should go to the denominator. Whenever you have a minus sign, it should go to a denominator. And since it's 1, put only one y in the denominator. So, now this is your answer. Minus 5x by y. So, this is our answer. Question 6. 40 p to the power of 3, q to the power of 4 and r to the power of 5 divided by 10 p to the power of 3 and q. So let's write that 40 into p to the power of 3 minus this p. So that is minus 3 into q to the power of 4 minus, now this is 1, so minus 1 into r to the power of 5. So here we have 10 left here because p to the power of 3 and q to the power of 1 have already been removed. So let's see what we can cancel. I can cancel 10 and 40. 10 ones are 10, 10 fours are 40. So here what do we have now? 4 into p to the power of 3 minus 3 is 0 into q to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3 into r to the power of 5 by 1. So this is 4 into 1. P to the power of 0 is 1 into q to the power of 3 into r to the power of 5 by 1, which is equal to 4 q to the power of 3 r to the power of 5. So this is our final answer. 4 q raised to the power of 3 and r raised to the power of 5. Question 7. Here we have minus 64. Let's write that down. Minus 64 x to the power of 4 y to the power of 3 and z divided by 4 x to the power of 3 y to the power of 2 and z. So that becomes minus 64 into x to the power of 4 minus, let me take this, minus 3 into y to the power of 3. Now here I have 2, so that's minus 2 into z to the power of, this is 1 and 1. So 1 minus, I can take this one, 1 minus 1. So in the denominator now I only have 4 because I've removed x, y and z. Now 4 into what is 64? 4 into 16. 16 fours are 64. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 into 16. So let's write this now. Minus 16 into x to the power of 4 minus 3 is 1 into y to the power of 3 minus 2 is 1 into z to the power of 1 minus 1 is 0 and all this by 1. So this is minus 16 into x into y into 0 raised to the z raised to the power of 0 is 1. So here I have my final answer as minus 16 xy. So this is my final answer. Next question. We have 35xy to the power of 5 divided by 7x square y square. So let's write down 35xy to the power of 5 divided by 7x square y to the power of 4. So this will be 35 into x. Here we have 1 and then we are taking this 2 from here. So it becomes minus 2 and then into y we have 5 minus we have 4. We are taking this minus 4. And in the denominator what is left is just 7. So let's cancel 7 and 35. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. So what do we have in the next step? We have 5 into x to the power of 1 minus 2. So plus 1 minus 2. Signs are different. Put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. So now we have minus 1 into y to the power of 5 minus 4 is simply 1. And in the denominator we have 1. So here what do we have? 5. Now if x is minus 1, it should go to the denominator. Okay, so let's put x in the denominator and y to the power of 1 is simply y. So here we have 5y by x. So what is our answer? 5y by x. So this is our final answer, 5 by y by x. So children, we stop with this for now. We will continue in the next video with the other questions. Thank you, children.